So here, my new toy. We got a Smith & Wesson M&P out the front knife. It's not a double action, it's single action, so you have to depress that there to release the blade. And then you pull it back. And then you can put the safety on so you don't open it up in your pocket. Got a window breaker. I was going to go outside for better lighting to do this. The coating they have on that aluminum, as you can see, this thing's brand new and it's already wearing off. I was carrying it in my hand one day riding my bike, just for fun, riding my bike, and scratched that there. It's pretty sharp. Comes out quickly. Fairly solid. This could be sharper, kind of pisses me off. Although I will say I was kind of rough on this thing the other day. Let's see what can we cut? Here we go. How can I do this? I'll do this. Oh, well, that wasn't too bad, considering I had nothing, no pressure. Hey, get out of here, dog. Damn brat. Alright, end of that video. I gotta chase her down now.